Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Ronin Hood. Today we'll make a sharpening work with Whetstones on a Tanto 440A stainless steel. So it was 12 hours sharpening work on Whetstones. This Tanto, I bought it in 2005. It was an unsharped Tanto, so not sharpening Tanto. And it's a pretty cheap steel because it's 440A. It's an equivalent of, I think, the 1045. So it's the softer steel. I use different grits and start with 240 and then 600, then 1000, 3000 and then 8000. So my advice is always making 3 to 5 passes on each side of the edge, and always use the guide, the angle guide for knife. That is really useful. And be patient and always make the same pressure on each side of the blade. And now the cutting test in the forest with that new edge, cutting for the first time, and it's cutting. It's really satisfying to see how the body motion is increasing the speed of the blade, because it's a little blade, third of a katana. So my technique of karate and kobudo, it's working with that little Tanto. I'm using all my body motion, like in kata, to have that increase of speed. And with a correct angle, the little blade can get through the omote. Thank you guys for having watched this sharpening Tanto work, and see you soon on Ronin Hood.